Hey, what's up? My name is Ruben. Today I'm gonna walk you through how to play Mood Timaya. As always, if you have a song that you want me to do a tutorial on, let me know in the comment area. If you learn from this tutorial, leave a thumbs up, and if you're new here, subscribe and also hit the notification bell so that you're always notified whenever I upload a tutorial. So without wasting any more time, let's kick off right after this. So this song is in the key of D, and the progression is 6, 5, 4, 5. The 6 is a B minor chord. The 5 is an A major chord. The 4 is G major chord, and the 5 again is an A major chord. So you will play, 6, 5, 4, 5. So 6 B minor chord, I'm using my pointer finger to bar across string number 1 to 5 on the 2nd fret. My middle finger is on string number 2 on the 3rd fret. My ring finger is on string number 4 on the 4th fret, and my small finger playing string number 3 on the 4th fret. B minor chord. The chord follows will be an A chord. So you can either play, the A chord here, open A chord, where you'll be using your pointer finger to bar string 2, 3, and 4. Or you can, play a bar chord. So in this case, I am barring string 1 and 2 on the 5th fret with my pointer finger, string number 3 on the 6th fret with my middle finger, string number 5 on the 7th fret with my ring finger, and string number 4 on the 7th fret with my small finger, my thumb barring or muting string number 6. On this will be the 5th fret. So you can either play a saw or that open. So the A chord will be a G chord. So G chord, you can either play this open chord where I'm using my small finger to hold string number 1 on the 3rd fret, my middle finger playing string number 5 on the 2nd fret, and my ring finger playing string number 6 on the 3rd fret. Or you can play, this form of G chord. Pointer finger, string 1 and 2 on the 3rd fret, middle finger string number 3 on the 6th fret, ring finger playing string number 5 on the 5th fret, and my small finger playing string number 4 on the 5th fret. 6th string you can mute using your thumb. So those are the chords that comprise the progression of the song. So it's 6, A, G, A. So that's how you're gonna play this song. It's not as a hard song as you may have thought. Though if you're not already conversant with your bar chords, you will of course need to practice on the bar chords. So well, that's it for this tutorial. If you have a song that you want me to do a tutorial on, let me know in the comment area, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed to the channel, and let's catch up on the next tutorial. Ciao.